Hey everyone, welcome back to HairtutorialbyJ. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I share simple and beautiful hairstyles for little girls, especially hairstyles that you can recreate at home. And now I have also started documenting my natural hair journey on this channel. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, do subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our video. Today we are creating this super cute hairstyle, and I can already tell you that I love how this hairstyle turned out. It looks like it took forever, but once you understand the sections and where the braids are going, it's quite simple. Before I start any hairstyle, I always want the hair to be moisturized and easy to work with. Working with dry natural hair can make the process more difficult, and we definitely want to avoid unnecessary pulling and breakage. And when you are doing your children's hair, comfort is so important. I don't want hair time to feel stressful for her. That's why you can see her with her tablet. Listen, moms, sometimes you have to do what you have to do. If a little screen time helps us get through her day peacefully, then everybody wins. As you can see, I have already started sectioning the hair. For this hairstyle, you would need to section the hair first into two sections, from ear to ear. And then at the back side, you will section that into 4 parts, okay? Just like you can see here on the screen. Once the section is done, you're gonna soak your rubber bands in a little oil. This part is really optional, but I would suggest that you do it because it prevents the rubber bands from cutting the hair. Now with a little hair gel, I am gathering the hair together each section and then tie it down with a rubber band, just like I am doing here in the video. I really like styles like this because they are cute but also very practical. Her hair is mostly protected. We are not having to manipulate it every morning, and I can simply freshen it up when needed. That's one of the reasons why I love protective hairstyles for little girls. Mornings are already busy enough. The last thing I want every morning is to say, "Come here, let's do your hair." No, sit, come here. I mean, it's so stressful already in the morning. So when I can do one hairstyle that can last for several days, I am so happy. Once this session is done, we're gonna grab some Brazilian wool. This part is really optional, but if your baby hair is short like my baby, then you would need some hair extensions. We decided to use Brazilian wool, but you can use any hair extensions of your choice. Choose whatever color you want to do to your own preference, okay? So with the extensions, you're gonna braid the hair down, okay? So this part is a little bit trickish, but you need to pay attention and you will get the whole process, okay? So you're gonna start from braiding the back. Now you're gonna braid all the way down long enough until you can add the hair to the right section at the top. Just watch carefully and you will understand exactly what I mean. So now that school is resuming, what are your one must have or your one must do, or how do I put it? What are the things that you do to prepare your kids for school? What are the things you can never do without? Please comment down below to let me know. My daughter will soon be starting school in a few months. I'm not sure if I am ready for this new journey. I mean, it feels a little bit strange. It feels so awkward. Like the little baby I had in my hands is growing up so quick and is gonna start school. I don't know how does it feel like to let your baby go to school? Like she's still my baby girl. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna miss her so much, but also I'm excited for her to start this journey. So wish us good luck and share with us all your tips. I want to make sure my little girl is fully prepared for school. Once we are done with the back section, we're gonna move to the front section and divide that into 2 equal parts. Once you divide that into 2 equal parts, you're gonna take a little hair at the ear part, just a little hair, just enough to braid a cornrow. Okay, you're gonna braid the cornrow towards the face. Once I'm done braiding the cornrow, I'm gonna use a little gel and then gather the rest of the hair into a small ponytail. Okay, just like I am doing here. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the last section. Okay, so I'm gonna braid the cornrow towards the face and then tie the rest of the hair into a small ponytail. This is how it's gonna look at the front. Once we are done with the little ponytails, we're gonna move back to the back section. We're gonna continue braiding the section. Okay, we're gonna braid all the way down until it's long enough to add to the front ponytails. Okay, so we're gonna add the left braid to the right ponytail and then the right ponytail to the right section. The right ponytail at the front. Once we have that out of the way, we're gonna create a little bent knot at the front. Okay, just like this. Okay, you're gonna wrap the hair or twist it all the way down. Then you wrap the hair around itself until it creates a little bent knot. Okay, if you do not know how to do it, watch it carefully and you will understand how to create a bent knot. At this point, the hairstyle is almost finished, and this is my favorite part because during the middle of the hairstyle, sometimes I'm looking at it and thinking, where am I going with this? But then everything starts coming together. Now let's add some accessories. I'm adding these beautiful pink accessories to the buns. And because she's wearing pink today, everything just matches perfectly. Then for the little braids at the front, I'm adding these pink beads. I love adding few beads to children's hairstyle, especially when the rest of the hairstyle is quite simple. You don't always need a lot, just a few little details can make hairstyle look extra special. And here is the finished hairstyle. Look how cute this turned out. I really love the final result. It's playful, it's girly, it's protective, and most important, it's comfortable for her. And that smile at the end tells me she approves it too. And that's it for today's hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this one. Would you try this hairstyle on your little girl? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.